In case you haven't seen before, we were currently just stopped, and we just started to move in this area of the Skyliner. All right, that's a dramatic moment for this time. Okay, well, while we're standing out here in the rain, I thought I would get you a shot of the new bathrooms that just opened, and they are right here. And these are in Epcot. They're just off the walking path. If you see the Christmas tree, you see one of the gateway stores here, and then you see the bathroom. And right back in there, over top of that fence, is Starbucks. That was supposed to open today, but they delayed the opening. But it will be called the Travelers Cafe when it opens. Alright, let's all have a moment of silence for Club Cool. Okay guys, they just opened up more of the entranceway to Epcot. We just want to show you a little bit of this as the monorail passes through. You can see where the monoliths, gravestones, whatever you want to call them, were at. They just covered those in concrete. Different color of concrete, I noticed. And so, but this whole area now is open. Right behind there, if you look at my video from 12:15, you'll see the fountain. And I'll try to put a picture in here of what that fountain's going to look like. It has the spires. It was the original fountain that was there in '82, and then they tore it out and put in the monoliths. So that will be back, but I'll put that in there. But that gives you a good idea of what's happening with the entranceway. Okay, and I think I forgot to mention here that there are bottle fillers now in this restroom, and there's a companion bathroom also.
Hello everyone, welcome to Canada. Welcome everyone to the Epcot International Festival of the Holidays. We are the Canadian Holiday Voyagers. Happy holidays, everyone!
Alright guys, I want to end this video. I hope you enjoyed our newest adventure into Epcot to show you what's going on, what's new, what's been finished, and what's still being finished. And as we head out, I wanted to show you one last look here at night at Ratatouille and the work that's going on in France. Have a good night, have a good day. We'll talk to you again soon. Bye-bye.